Hello student. So let's understand important things in accountancy. So for a good result and a high score we must be understand these things. So first thing is the syllabus, blueprint, paper pattern, textbook and question bank, use of calculator, scale, pencil, pen, regularly daily practice, regularly revision of formulas for full forms, previous year paper. So these are the very important things in accountancy. Let's understand deeply one by one. So first thing is syllabus. So syllabus, it provides the overview of what is going to be learned or a study. So in one academic year, what is going to be we study or learn, we will see in this syllabus. So in syllabus we can understand how many chapters are included, what are the names of chapter, each chapter what represents specially, concept of chapters, it is familiar or unfamiliar, easy or hard. Next one, size of chapter, whether it is a lengthy or a short. In your syllabus some chapters having a lengthy or some chapters having a short syllabus. Next thing is blueprint. It is a marks specification table which indicates marks for each chapters, each section and each question. It helps to understand marks are to be allotted to each chapter, each section and in each question. So with the help of blueprint, we can understand which chapter allotted highest marks. It helps to understand in which section which chapter question are included. Some chapters question are not included in some section. For example, suppose in A section having a 10 question and in your syllabus you have 11 chapter. So out of this 11 chapter, your first section means A section having only 10 question. It means one of the chapter question is not included in section A. So next thing is paper pattern. So with the help of paper pattern, we can understand total time and total marks allotted for the exam. Series of sections means how many sections from a short to long questions. So it start from a short answer to the long question or long problem. Next, it helps to understand how many questions are to be compulsory solved for each section, and each section includes how many optional questions. So what type of questions asked in each section, which chapter's question must be solved and which chapter question can leave for the option. So next thing is the textbook and the question bank. So textbook provides the guidelines and the support to study. Textbook included theory plus solved problems and unsolved problems. So next is a question bank. Question bank includes questions and unsolved problem which helps for a more practice. If you want to do the more practice, to in your question bank given problems. So question bank helps to understand the exact question or the problems for a specific section. Next important thing is a calculator, pencil, scale, pen. So use of calculator increase the speed of a calculation. Every time using of a same calculator, it will help you maintain the operating system or operating speed. Practice of using a calculator, it decide the your speed and accuracy. Regular use of pencil, scale, pen, avoid the mistake and maintain the presentation of your answer sheet. Most important thing is in accountancy is regular daily practice. Like a theory paper, in accountancy question is not asked same as it is, and we can't buy head problem and a solution. So in every problem digit and some adjustment are changing. So therefore practice is very important. In accountancy, practice is more important for the accuracy. Practice makes perfect. More practice leads to less confusion and doubts in the examination and increase the speed and accuracy. Next is a regular revision of formulas and full forms. So some problems are formulas oriented. If you decided to solve in the exam, you need to regularly revise this all formula. Then and then you can solve correctly in the exam. Prepare the list of all formulas and the full forms and paste in your study room, otherwise the side of your blackboard. It means that place where you see frequently. So it will automatically memorize the all formulas and full forms. It helps you to avoid a mistake and a confusion. Last and most important thing is previous year question paper. So practice of previous year question paper gives a idea about the question paper and the confidence to write paper. It helps to understand the what is your capacity and where you need to work hard. It helps to allocate the time for each section. It helps to manage time and you will able to complete your all question paper before the time.